All right, this here is our 2008 Ford E-150 with a side power hydraulic lift. Do a quick walk around here. Apologize for the snow. Had some weather here. Let's see the cargo space in the back. With the spare tire mounted to the back door. Walk around this end. Go inside, it's equipped with a power 6-way transfer seat and a push right angle hand control. It has a battery, dual battery, so it has a backup battery in the back. It has an interlock system, and you can see its current miles there. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and deploy this lift. It is operated by these remotes. You have 2 of them wirelessly. When you click the button, it'll open the door, then the second door. Once that's done, you let go and then you click it again and it'll start deploying the lift. Okay, once it's at the floor level, you're gonna let go and then press again, and it'll come all the way down. Looks like that. Now inside, we have what used to be an easy lock station there. We have a rear bench for up to 3 people. You have interior controls for the lift. And you have this space here. Okay, we're gonna start it up, see how it sounds. Now we do have some cold weather here, so you notice the tire pressure light is on, but we'll get that addressed. Radio works. Okay, you got front and rear climate control. And you see the vents inside for that air back here. We also have a storage compartment. Up there. Okay, let's get this lift back up. And so this will give you an idea of how much space you have inside with the lift stowed. All right. You can also control the lift using this switch here. And there's a key cylinder switch on the back here. You can operate the lift from as well. And that's about it. You can see the tires are very good tread, almost new. Got a raised door opening so you have extra head clearance. And that's our 2008 Ford.